Ilungu le-MK Party ePhalamende uColleen Makhubele uphonsele inselele izinkampani ezihlinzeka ngenetwork ngokuvumela abantu bakulelizwe ukuba bakwelete idata.
You have become loan sharks to the poor. Instead of cutting data costs, you are now advancing it, loaning them. Because they have to communicate. There's no other way.
Ziphendula ngemali esithengisa ngayo idata, lezi nkampani zithi zizoza nezinhlelo zokubhekelela labo abaswele ukuthi idata ingambi eqolo kubo.
Can we do more? I'm sure we can. But is there a lot of effort that we are making ourselves as MTN and the MNOs? I would say definitely. And I will ask that we look at that private pricing that we do for the poor. We are very careful in terms of how we price to make sure that the vulnerable get favorable bundles and more for more principle.
Abantu bakuleli baphawulile ngokumba eqolo kwedata.
Data libalekile because into esebenza ngayo basifuna ukuconnectana nabantu. So ngenyanga mhlawumbe nisebenzisa ama 300 or 400 for idata.
Ayona iyadula idata but ibalekile kakhulu idata. Yona ngathi ngcono kule airtime. Ingcono kule airtime ngoba idata ngiyakwazi ukukhola umkhetha labantu abaningi on time.
I-cost data iyadura eSouth Africa, honestly speaking. I-Telkom izama ukuba cheaper. Not to say I'm mentioning names, but the cheaper the data is, the bad the network is.
Ikomiti lezokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe besimanje ePhalamende lithi izinkampani ezihlinzeka ngenetwork kumele zithathelwe izinyathelo ngokudayisela abantu bakulelizwe idata ngemali enkulu.